today's Technical Corner, I'm joined by Graeme, the Managing Director of Vargus UK. And Graeme, you've got an announcement for us.
Yeah, Joe, you'll see behind you SILMAX there. So from today, we are now the UK agents for SILMAX products in the UK.
And for people watching at home, unfamiliar with that product, what sort of company are they?
Yeah, so SILMAX manufacture round shank products. They are the biggest manufacturer of round shank products in Italy. They have 100 staff. They have over 2,000 customers. And as you can see here, they produce 700,000 tools yearly and a producer of standard and special tools.
Okay, and what sort of markets would they cover typically?
So the markets where they'll cover is kind of automotive, mould and die, aerospace, Formula One, and obviously general engineering as well.
And product groups?
Round shank carbide end mills, HSS, disc mills, carbide drills, composite cutters, tools for hard materials, aluminium, non-ferrous, so a huge range of cutters.
Yeah, we're going to have a quick look at the catalogue in a minute, but it's vast. And obviously here's some of the more popular products.
Yeah.
But how do you see it integrating into the UK market?
So, I think it is a heavily inundated area, round shank in the UK. However, we do believe that it's a really strong product. It's a gap in our portfolio. And we're looking forward to running with SILMAX.
And you've got two catalogues on the table there, so what are the differences?
Yeah, so this is the main SILMAX catalogue, which obviously you'll see is quite large, which is full of every cutter which is in their range and the standard range. But we have pulled a smaller brochure for the UK where these products are in stock in the UK, and it's more so the more popular cutters for general engineering.
And that's available, presumably that's next day delivery if it's UK based.
Yeah, so we'll be stocking these cutters in the UK. Our engineers will be fully trained on the SILMAX product range, and it'll be available in the UK to customers from today.
And anybody watching this video, end users, what's the best way to get in touch and source the product or arrange trials?
Yeah, so we have a select group of distributors who will have access to these product ranges. So of course you can contact Vargus to find out who those distributors are. And of course, if you don't deal with any of them distributors, we can make introductions, or of course the product will be available direct.
There we are. And I look forward to seeing more of these in the field, Graeme. And thank you, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.